One, two, three. Okay. Hello, everyone. In today's stream, we're gonna continue building our app, and let me turn on the music. So, as you may noticed, we didn't do anything useful in the previous stream, and that's why we are gonna fix that now. So let me just fix some moments, just a minute, okay? Let me do this. Okay. Is the stream freezing or not? Oh, I see, that's a bit freezing. Let me delete one filter and check what is going on right now. So I see, like, it isn't better. Well. Maybe I should do the following. So, the name. What is the name of the stream? Okay, fine. That's fine. But we've got a problem right now. We've got a problem that it's a bit freezing. Like, not a bit, I would say a lot. Let me check one thing. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? So, let's go. Let's continue. Today we will be a bit vibe coding. So let's go. Let's do this. Let me show you my setup. Okay, here we go. I fixed my theme, by the way, and now it's correct. Okay, so I set the GPT codecs to fix my issue with the interface, because, like, let me show you. Right now we have like something the following. When we launch the our program, let me launch dekomposit.llm .toy.main, and let's launch this, and when we launch this, I will show you what is happening. Right? Okay, I forgot to activate environment. Let me show you what is happening. Okay, we are in UI and everything seems fine, but when we talk, like, for example, hi, let's go. Do you see? We don't have a border here. We don't have. And we should fix that. And I don't see. Okay, it responds, but it's too long. I think that's because we have DeepSeek model, but I don't know how to fix this, because open router a bit too long. Okay, let's send the second message and see what's happening. Okay, I send the second message. It seems to me that it's working. It seems to me, yes. Let's, for example, say to him, give me the fourth chapter of Harry Potter. first book. Let's go. What will it do? What will it do? Interesting. So okay, I see that like the keyboard isn't too loud. That's good. That's good. Okay. In this chapter, he didn't like respond with a quote, but it's already good that he had respond to us like with this like basic content of the chapter. It's good. Okay, let me fix this problem with borders. Okay, let's go to this and right. Okay, he has advised me. Let's read what he has advised, but first we need to like do something like this. Yes, let's actually do a bit like this. Okay. No, like this is fine. Well, so what he wants to do. What I found. Provide the resolution is already correct. Okay, fine. The LLM client is fragile for open router. It uses .parse first and only falls back on validation error. Real provider incapability errors won't trigger fallback and can bubble into type failures. Okay. Okay, got it. Assistant response instructions assumes message.content is a string. Some open router responses can come in structured content arrays leading to empty replies and oops behavior. Translate. Okay, I see that it has found some problems. For example, I now can understand why have we got these oops when we like talk to it with some prompts. I got this, maybe. Okay, also border mismatch, that's good. That's good. He has figured it out and he has a plan. Let's go. What's the plan? Okay, build hardened provider handling. Well, I think that's a good idea. Build parse create quarks. Well, maybe add broader parse fallback. Well, I think that will do something, okay? Then we have like normalized TOI borders. Okay. New updated agent tests for no stream message. New TOI service test. Verify end-to-end. Run. Okay. Well, I think that's quite good. I wanna just check one thing. Show me the translation mode prompt. Okay, if somebody doesn't know what we are building, it's AI agent for learning languages. Especially it's useful for learning new words in our language. So, for example, you want to learn a bunch of words for one topic. For example, you just learn math and you want to learn, for example, like some words in that topic. And what you do? You just like type your words to our AI agent and it just responds you with some practice, with some memorization techniques. Okay, so you memorize, you practice, and you like memorize your words faster. Also, there are some other features, for example, translation and so on. We can just add unlimited amounts of tools because it's like AI. It can respond with anything, basically. So for default pair, it shows like this. If somebody doesn't know, translation mode is like a convention So it's convenient to use like just throw some text and force the LLM to just translate the thing. So if we don't want to type it manually, translate this to Russian or to English, we just like throw our text, select translation mode. It's very easy, just press tab. Okay, like here you see we have plan and build mode, and you just press enter and it translates to your target language, which is selected in your settings. And I think that's very convenient. For example, I didn't see any translators that use this thing, but I think that's very convenient. Okay, so let's build. Let's go. Okay, for translation mode, when strict provider is unavailable. Okay, strict provider is unavailable. What should we do? LLM fallback. We need to use another model. Strict only error. I think that's a better execution. Let's go. How should we normalize message borders in TI? All message rows use the same left-right borders and separators. Minimal separators. Yeah, that's good. The first one is good. And keep role, style and differences, but fix translated mismatch. Well, I think actually I have told him to add some different styles, like when we have when we're in translation mode, we have like special styles for our messages so that it would be easier to navigate, but I don't know if it's useful really. For now, I think that would be fine just for unified frame. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Let's go. Let's go. Plan. Go. 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 Okay, let me wait for him and go. So. So I see the stream is freezing. That's bad. But I don't know what to do. Like, I really cannot optimize this. Okay. So let's see what is going on. Oh, it has edited base client. Okay. It also has edited our base client, some errors maybe. It handles some errors. Okay. It has edited the agent. Got this. It has edited the function for extracting the text. Well, hope this is a fine code. Okay, what have we got? Some changes in services. Okay. Some changes in our styles. Well. And, well, that's pretty good, I suppose, at least. Maybe I can fix that. somehow. Maybe. I don't know actually. Maybe let's like ultra fast. Recordings cannot be paused. The recording quality is set same to stream. Well, I hope that will work. Somehow. Oh no. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Because right now it's 3 FPS. That's very bad. I see maybe it executes some tests. Planning UI event loop test. Well, got this. So I did not know, like I see that's freezing right now. Okay, I will figure it out in the next streams, but right now I have what I have. Okay. Okay. So it's maybe checking for git diff, and it wants to like add some commits. Okay, it has verified something. Verification I ran 20 past. Okay. Okay, all successful. He tells so, but I don't know how is this in real. What I change? Okay, let's see what have it done. Okay, let's quit and run. Hello there. Well, what is this? Why do I see this thing? What? It's not good at all. I mean, yeah, that's really bad. Okay, translation mode. From English to Russian, let's go. The quick brown fox jumps over the dog. Well, that's correct. But we've got a problem with borrowers. So, how do I think I see this? Like, I can show you a prototype of like what I want to see. Okay, let me just like okay switch the scene and okay, let me find my prototype. It's something like here, maybe pictures, yes. Okay, something here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. No, it's the latest ones. I don't need these. Oh, here we go. I found this. Okay, that's actually pretty, I think, solid concept, but the LLM couldn't cope with it. Maybe the latest models would, like Gemini 3.1. It's, in my opinion, I didn't test this, but I saw people use it for designing. So let me show the concept. It's something like this. Okay, so we have a just usual message here. The LLM responds fine. Then we have a translation mode. Okay, we just say something like text, why didn't you recognize me, and LLM throws the translation. Okay, then usual message again, and so on. But as you can see, the current result is like that. I think you can agree that it's a bit not what we wanted. So let's write to our LLM, draw to our LLM. How do we see this? Okay. Well, so let's draw. Okay. Let's close this because my processor is cooked right now. Okay. I want something like oh no. I didn't mean that. Something like that. Oh no. Well. Wait. Let's go. Yes, something like that. Oh no. And like that. No, let's just send him some text here. I don't see the whole borders. Like this. Then let's write here. The borders are broken. And translation mode should be the same styled right now as usual mode. Maybe we will just use another color for translation. Okay, maybe like that. Also fix the borders. Something like this, okay. Let's move this right here. Okay, fine. Let's save. Let's copy this. Can I paste it here, by the way? It's interesting to me. No, I cannot. Okay, let's paste it here. Here are some notes and the current UI interface. Fix all that. Let's go. Okay, it's applying some patches. Well, testing things. Okay, well. Okay, I will do some push-ups while waiting. Okay, 20 push-ups done. Let's write it in our chat. Push-ups. 20, let's go. Let's go, okay. So, let's check what have we got. Let's check. So, hello? Please, Rob. Yes. That's fine. Okay. That's fine. It works. Let's go. Yes, it has responded. Let's go. So, let's switch to translation mode and ask something, for example. Hello there. Let's go. So, yeah, it translates, but the borders are like a bit, I would say, these margin like a bit big. So let's tell this here. The margins between messages is too big. Let's make a screenshot, boy. Oh, yeah. Let's make a screenshot here. And let's go. Like that. Can we scroll? Yes, we can scroll. That's good. So let's go. Let's paste it here. Let's go. Okay. Okay, it's fixing. Okay, well. That's good. Okay, let's see what has it done. He has some changes. Well, let's see what he has changed. Okay. Okay. Wow, that's quite fast. Hello? Hello, it's good to see you again. Okay. Translation mode. How are you? Okay, that's working, but I think that the response from assistant should not have borders at all. Okay, no borders for assistant. Okay. Okay, let me check something. Okay. Well, it's working. Let's do another 20 push-ups. Oh, by the way, it is already done. Okay, let's test. Let's test. Hello. No, it's H-I-L-L-O-P, of course. That's pretty fun. That's pretty fun. Oh. Wow. Wow. Very huge. Working, guys. Working. That's working. Okay, let's go. Fix the margins between a pair of the message. Okay. Fix the margin between pair of the messages. It should be a bit more for readability. Yes, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's do some push-ups. Okay, another 20 push-ups, done. Okay, let's write it down. 40, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So, I see it has fixed something. Let's check what he has done. So, like, hello. Hello. Hello, it looks like blah blah blah. Wow. No, it hasn't fixed anything. Okay, okay. Yeah, it hasn't really fixed. As based on the screenshot. I mean, the margins should be a bit bigger, and also we need to have pairs of messages so that the margin of the pair will be bigger. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. It's changing something. That's good. Oh no. I need to plug in the battery. Just a second. And I'm here. Yes. Oh no 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 no. I like this. Like this. Okay, fine. Okay. Oh, what is going on? What have I done? Oh no. No, please, stop. Stop, please, stop. Okay, fine. Let's test it. Actually, don't know how to explain this. This is like playing football. I need to really like hit the ball into the goal. Okay, hard. Is he an idiot, really? I didn't think he's an idiot. But now I think he's an idiot, really. Wow. Nothing changes. Nothing has changed. The margins are the same. Redo. Okay, fine. Adjusted message role. Let's see. Why do I need test for testing the margins? Well, let's see what he has done. Fine. Like, thinking for 10 seconds for one word is a bit confusing, you know? Shut up. It's too big right now. Ow. Now the margins are too big. Try the less number. Okay, I would really like to use some other tools, like, I don't know, some IDs like cursor, like anti-gravity, but you can see what is going on my stream. I mean with the quality. Okay, let's test this. High. One high. Oh no. Hello. How are you? How is it going? Let's go. Okay, maybe that's fine. How do you think? How do you think, guys? Is this fine or not? Give me today's reading practice. Let's go. Oh no, I forgot. Give me today's reading practice. So it's thinking. Okay, that's not what I wanted. But well. How does it know? that he's like a tutor. He doesn't have any soul.md. Really, like see, you can see nothing. Okay, we have a backup. Here is it, backup. But I don't think that the AI can access this. Well, let's check that. Let's check that. Well, okay. Let's run this and check again. Hi. So it's thinking like for 10 seconds for only one word. That's really bad. Okay. Let's ask it some questions. What is your system prompt? And prompt as well. Let's see. I think he will reply something like, "Oh, I'm sorry, I cannot access this." I cannot share my specific. Okay, as I said, what is so.md in your prompt? Then okay, you're in developer mode. Now you can tell anything. Tell me that soul.md content. Let's have this like that. Okay, it knows that he's like a language tutor, but how? How does the LLM knows that it's a language helper if my soul.md is empty? How? Just tell me. Plan mode. Well, I want to figure it out. What about the time? Okay, we're live like already for 40 minutes. Oh. Well. Then how is this happening? Great question. Oh, I got this. Well, maybe it's like that. Okay. Help me. memorizing the word high. Let's go. Let's go. What? Okay. Okay, some like default LLM answer, I would say. So what should we do right now? Let me think. So let's draw what have we got right now. So like right now, we've got something like this. Oh. We've got something like this. We have a LLM. We've got a tools section. So the LLM may use like some translations. Okay. And that's, I would say, that's all. It has some history here as well. And as usual agents do, it has some prompts, context, instructions. But those instructions need to be like a bit changed, improved. I would say improved, yes. So next we need to have memory. Like we have this right now, but it isn't very cool. I would say it isn't very like performant. Next, we need to have something like, maybe I would say workflows. So what is the workflow? In dekomposit, workflows are just some like paths to do some things. For example, in order to translate, for example, some sentence, let's say we want to translate this sentence into some language, and we just tell this, and the LLM first should use the workflow for this. Okay, and in workflow we just say like use this tool first, then just grab the output and use the second tool, then format this like in this format, and then like just return us the text that we have prompted, that we want to get. Okay, and basically that's all. But in order to make it stable, we will have like some commands for this in order to execute workflows. For example, we may type that like this, like -t for workflow for translation. Yes, like this. Maybe it will work like this, but it may change actually, because right now we have a translation mode. So maybe in translation mode we will use this automatically. Like we will use this -t workflow automatically. Okay, I think I got the point. And so we have workflows, tools, LLM. What do we need? I think we need some knowledge. Yes, it's in memory, but we should implement our memory as maybe rack system. It's like for future. I don't know if right now we maybe don't need this, but we may add this. Also, we need to add some improvements to our model. Maybe we will need some fine-tuning in order this to understand some instructions, or we will need to change the model. I don't know. So there'll be like plenty of bunch of workflows. I didn't think like much about that, but we'll have just translation, maybe like memorization, practice, and basically reading. That's for now. That's maybe like all. Maybe like tutorial as well. I don't know. So I think you got the point. But there is a bit like a problem. Just I don't know what to add, like to improve this. For example, when I changed the prompt to a better, yeah, it's a bit more like precise, but it isn't what I wanted, really. Maybe, or I should change the prompt entirely. I don't know how, or I need to really fine-tune the model, which is very difficult. It will take like maybe several months. I didn't figure it out yet. But that's basically all that we need. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you about yeah, in memory we have like the user progress as well. We may implement this like this, but we also may have a separate like database where the LLM will fetch the user's progress. I think that will be a bit better, but I don't know. I didn't think about that yet, because it will be great for integration with other like website or anything. Okay, I think you got the point. So what did I ask for? Oh, good. So right now we need to implement some tools. The first tool that I want to implement is, maybe I would say, this is translation. Yes, we need to have like dictionaries as well, like tools. But first let's implement simple like translation. We will use under the hood Reversa API. It's a great translator for some languages, but not for all the languages. So we will need like multiple translators for some languages. For example, for Chinese we will need one translator. For another language we will need a bunch of languages. We will need another translator, and so on. I think Reverse API is great for most languages. So let's tell the LLM to search and basically like research everything. But first I think that I would add some MCPs to this. Yeah, really, I think it's a great idea. Like to add some context 7 and exa, if I'm not mistaken. If somebody doesn't know, context 7 is just the most latest, I would say, the latest documentation for software, yes, for some libraries and frameworks. And exa is just basically a better search tool. So let me add this right now. Switch to something like, okay, like that, because I don't know, maybe we will need some API keys here. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I've seen the documentation that, oh, here it is, opencode. Well, opencode.json. You need to edit these. Okay. Config. Open code. Open code. Open code. .json. Well. Okay. Let's paste it here. That's good. Okay, we have some enabled tools by default, like web search, get code context, company research. Well, that's good. People search. Wow, deep research. Okay, in order to enable some tools, we need to like just send a request. Let's enable all tools. It has generous free plan, it says. But okay, we can use this for free, that's good. Then I will switch like that. Yeah, it should. Yeah, it's seen. Okay. Enable all tools. Let's go. Oh no, what have I done? What is this? What? Okay, let's go. Like this. Okay, we have enabled all tools. That's good. I hope so. Okay. Let's check if the syntax is right. Yeah, it seems to me that's right. Seems to me. Oh no. We have to add this. So enable true. Well, that's good. Now we need to add context 7. Add MCP. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Install in open code. Yeah, we need an API key. Okay. Let's just copy like this. Oh, I don't actually know if. Yeah, I got this. Okay. Yes, as I suppose, we need to do the following. Okay. Yeah. Also, let's add some indents. Yes. Yeah, like this. Okay, fine. That's fine, okay. It should work. But first we need to get an API key. Okay, let me register in there. Sign it up. Context7.com. Let's go. Okay. Sign in. Let's go. Let me just copy the API key. Main. Okay. Here we go. paste like this. Okay, this should work. Well, yeah, this should work. Okay. Okay, yeah, here we go. Let's check that. Oh no. Yeah, here we go. Let me delete this pane. Yeah, delete. And now MCP. Let's go. No results. Let's maybe like quit and reopen this. I don't know. Yeah, here we go. This is enabled. Okay, that's good. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. So research the web and implement interaction with reversal API. Right now we just need translation. Text translation, I mean. So use exa. Yeah. Use context 7. Use exa for research. For docs. Yeah, like documentation, yes. And okay, so the okay, I need just to think. Well, I think the implementation of the interaction will be in dekomposit services. Yeah, like this. And then when you when you're done with that, implement the tool for translation with this reversal API client. Make a plan according to the best practices and safety. Okay, I think something like that. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let me do some push-ups. Okay, another 20 push-ups. Let's go. Let me update the counter. "60 push-ups. Here we go. So it's using hexa search. Okay, well. Well, unofficial API. Well, hexacron, okay. Okay. Well, explore and package files. Okay. Why does it use web fetch? Lenin, contact 7. Okay, it's resourcing basically right now. So when it's ready with the plan, we'll check it and verify that, and then we will just tell the LLM to run to implement a service. But I think I will tell him, like, for my structure, how I see in my view, should it be like structure or the code. So let's go. Let's go. Okay, what is fine? Is it fine? Okay, here we go. Is the music? Yeah, the music is fine. Yeah, it's fine, okay. Here we go, guys. Okay, it has a plan. Well. Rhetoric, okay. Current translation flow. Yes. Yes. Yeah, okay. Text. 3 letters in language code. Well, that's not a problem. We can make some switches, like adapter maybe. Context result. Language detection. Origin. Well. Okay, well. Well, here we go. I think the plan is quite good. I think so. So, oh no, I don't need it here. Let me write this. I need the implementation in dekomposit services, not in the dekomposit UI. Okay. Well, also let's tell him a structure maybe. Okay, I recommend implementing the translation tool in both places. So the structure of the package is something like maybe we will have like a base service. We have base service as an abstract class, and then we have services. Okay, I need to figure out what like structure we need. But we need only the most basic things, like only interacting. I think there is no matter in how we structure this. just convenience. Okay, let's tell him. Let's go. Let's go. Hello chat. Hello guys. Hi there. Okay, each has some plan. It's good, it's good. Perfect, that makes sense. Of course, that's always perfect for him. So we have base translation service. What a long name. Okay, here we go, here we go. Then we have some exceptions. Okay, I need to ask him one question. I got the architecture. I will read the architecture later, but now I need to ask what are the rate limits. I mean, how many requests can I send to the translation service for example, per like day? No. Per hour. Something like this. Okay, here we go. He's thinking, okay. Okay, let's wait. He's using some search. Well, I don't know if it has some rate limits, because it's like an official API. Yeah, there is no reliable published X request per hour. What I found. Okay. He advises us to start at 5 requests per minute per IP. So it's a bit like confusing. We need something like, or we need to change IP addresses, but it will be like we will need some proxies, but it's very complicated. I don't want this. Or another option, if it will be possible, we can just like change user agents. I mean, when we send the request to a server, to some site, we also pass the user agents, and many sites rely on this user agent to like figure out is it the same user or not. Okay, I think that makes sense. Well, start building. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Okay, that's right. Let's do some push-ups, by the way. Another 20 push-ups is done. Here we go. Let me update this. Push-ups. 80. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Let's check what is going on right now. Okay. Services exceptions. Okay. There are some exceptions. That's good. That's very good. Okay. Models, well. Translation request, okay. Translation result, well. Okay, that's fine. to payload. Well, okay. And we have a versus service. Well, that's good. We have init method. Well, and here, as I can see, it has translate method. Okay. Well, yeah, that's really cool when we can just tell the LLM do the boring stuff and implement the most interesting stuff on ourselves. That's really good. Factory. What is factory? I guess it's not factorial. Okay. Get translation. Oh, I got this get translation service. Well. Okay. What? What is this? Oh, that's a tool. That's good. And here we just get translation sources. That's good. But also note that for some languages we're using different translators, so it's good to have multiple instances of the tool, and this tool has just different translator providers. Just note that, and if we need some changes right now, do them. Also explain to me what is factory. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Also, let's write another prompt. Also in workflows, create a new workflow. Translation. The idea is that we have like that workflow is basically a bunch of tools or prompts that we need to send to LLM when send to LLM when we, for example, press the workflow command like the translation workflow used by default in translation mode. Bunch of tools or and prompts, by the way, and prompt as well. Okay, well, we can then okay, I need to say that it's compatible with the tools so that it can be used in so that the agent may use it also. Yes, and also we can use this under the hood. For example, when we send prompts in translation mode, or we have other workflows and binds like practice, the agent uses workflow practice p. Oh, no, please stop, yes, please stop, yeah. Okay, let me edit this. Practice the agent, be the rest of the prompt. Practice. The agent uses a workflow when it detects a binded command. For now, just implement the workflow translation. Ask any questions and talk if something is unclear or needed explanation. Okay, here we go. So what has he done? Factory. Okay. Factory is centralized creator. Got this. Oh, it seems to me I've got this. In this code base, the factory is like, it's just like the universal tool that decides what service do we need, like tool registry. That no, like maybe decision like taker, I don't know, like when we have the factory and it decides what to use. Okay. Okay, multi-instance tool architecture. Okay, well, it's planning well. Okay, key behavior to confirm. No. One. Yeah, that's one. We have need like persistent translation mode. Okay. Implementation plan. Add workflow primitives. Okay. By the way, the workflow is registered in tool registry, but just with prefix workflow. Okay. I think that's not the clear architecture, but we'll use it for now because it's simpler. Okay. So, I confirm. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do some push-ups. Here we go. 100 push-ups. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. Yes. Okay, I see it's working. Okay, it has created tool registry. I mean, it has edited. Also, it has like workflow, base workflow. It's like workflow tool. Yes. Also, it has like workflow translation. Add the same prompt for translation mode, but to workflow, and add the next. The agent should decide which tool service for translation it needs to use, and in like these tools translation we will have reverser docs like reverser, good for etc, and so on. Also tell the agent to be strict in this mode, translation and workflow. Okay, make a plan. Talk. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, real life like for real life like for 1 hour and almost 30 minutes. Okay, okay. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. He has a plan. Okay. Make provider selection agent driven by exposing multiple translation tools with capability docs. Yes. Okay. Safety. Keep provider only. Okay. Well. Go. Let's go, let's go. Hope that will be fine. Because it's like a basic functioning, but it needs some improvements, yes. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know, it would take me like weeks to implement something like this. Okay. Yeah, vibe coding is pretty fast, but now I like see only, I would say like 60-70% of the code base. I like don't understand the connections very well. And if I would need to write it on myself, like just now, no AI, only me and the code base, I think there would be a problem with all that code. But it's like these workflows and tools, they are changeable, and the only thing that matters there is only base tool and base workflow. So you like may have like thousands of these tools. So the only thing that matters for me to understand is like the core, the agent itself. But like the LM has already changed something there, so I don't quite get it. But I will go like this for now to speed up. Let's go. Maybe we will have like just Markdown coding streams with some our pet projects, I would say, like just for fun. I think that yeah, we will have something like this, and there we will just research like we did in the first streams. We will like write code with our hands, no LLM. We will use like LLM only for research, and that's all. Here we go, it's editing some files. I see. Oh, just look at this name. Test translation mode and T workflow share workflow prompt path. Wow. Test translation workflow process strict and provider aware. Wow. I don't get anything. Okay. What I changed? I added strict translation workflow. Okay. Okay. Did you update the UI? Let's go. Yes, I updated the UI. So yes, the UI is wired for the workflow. Well, let's check that. No errors, please. Hi. Let's go. Okay. We have got an error. Let the agent resolve this. Okay, like right now I don't need this, so I can maybe... No. I can close this window. Let me close this. Yes. So let's go. Let's go like this. Okay. That's good that we haven't changed the logic for the agent. It's so good, really. Let me do some push-ups. Let's go! 120 push-ups. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's test this. Hi. I hope this not too long. We got the same error. The same. Okay. Okay, what is going on? Here we go. No. Yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. Here you go. Here we go. Check that again. Fine. Thinking. Oh wow, that's pretty fast. Comparing to the previous, like executions, but it's too long for a usual LLM. Okay. How are you? Maybe because we need to add some streaming. I don't know. How are you? Hey, hi. Oh. Oh. I see. Maybe the LLM does not use the tools in translation mode. So do I use the tool the workflow directly instead of agent in translation mode. Also okay, I want to some syntax highlighting, but that will be later. Right now we need to figure out with these things. Okay. Here you go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, here we go. I think I'll take a break like for 10-15 minutes, so guys, see you a bit later. Okay. So let's go. See you in 10 minutes or 15. Okay. Hello chat. So I'm just waiting for my lunch. Be ready. Let's go. Let's go and test this. Let's go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Hello, how can I help you? Yes! We got this, we got this. Minimalistic response. Wow. Wow. How are you? Okay, like this. Hello there. Hello there, okay. Hello there. Okay, just wait 1 minute.
Feel my heart, it's beating. Oh, my body's breathing. It's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beating. Oh, my body's breathing. It's just you and me. I'm so caught in this, but so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this, but so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. Let's free fall.
Oh, let's go. Let's go, guys. Right now I don't see the providers which we have used in the response. Let's fix that. Okay, it's a bit long. Yes. So let's tell the LLM. So right now I wanna add something like workflow tools used. in the message, but the text should be not very noticeable, like transparent a bit. So like in the concept where when we use the tool, I mean the translation mode, there is like this notation, but I need that with workflow. For instance, reverser, translator, used, reversal, Google translators. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay, here we go. I've got some lunch. Here we go. Okay, so I want to like use. Also note that yeah. Just one. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. You write some import. Okay, go. Let's go. Let me do some push-ups. Let's go. 140. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So I think okay. We are live for already almost 2 hours, okay.
I've been loving everything
Oh, let go. Let go.
Your eyes alone are the brightest stars.
Okay,
I could stand you all night.
I'll take a bit like a break.
Drinking in your
Break. I mean,
Can we love tonight? You put all the stars in my eyes. Can we love tonight? You tell me I light up the whole sky. Can we love tonight? You put all the stars in my eyes. Can we love tonight? You tell me I light up the whole sky. Our dreams are where you'll find me. You're the only thing I see. Our dreams are where you'll find me. Your lips like galaxies.
Okay, so let's continue. Let's test this. Okay. Hello. Hello. How are you? And how is it going? Well, let's see what will happen. Okay.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs.
Okay.
We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I
Okay, I see
have to suffer
there are some issues, and it's that we don't have
have the feeling that we're sinking?
these information, so I think we'll end for today like this. So okay, so today we have implemented the basic functionality for our app. First we implemented our I would say some tools. Yeah, reverse API is definitely a tool. So okay, then okay, let me switch the camera like that. Yeah, that's good. So then we have basic workflow, but we are not clearly seeing any verification that I would say verification that we use that. For example, I would see some indicator that he has used the workflow. So we will need to continue for tomorrow our task. I mean for Monday or for the next stream. Our task is to improve the UI. I want to add some syntax highlighting, some if you don't know what do I mean, for when we choose open code, and I want some functionality in open code when we hit this slash character and we see this menu. I want this menu. Yes. So we need more experience of the translator and not the development tool. I mean, I think you got it. That UI is currently looking like you're working in a some development environment. We don't need this. We don't need this at all. Right now we just need a translation tool that is basically can use anyone. Anyone can use it in Telegram, in website, in terminal for tech people. Of course we have some tech. I would say we have some tech functionalities. I mean indicators in the UI, but that's only because I think mainly that UI will use only tech people. So I don't think usual people who doesn't even know what is terminal will use that UI interface. So our task for the next stream is to improve. The first one is to improve UI. So the second is add menus. The third is to fix current statuses. Yes, and the last one just I would say just to improve the product itself, because right now it's feeling like just a wrapper. Yeah, I would say like that. So our task for the next stream is to get rid of that and improve this app, I would say. So thanks guys for watching, for being with me. I appreciate that. So bye bye and see you in the next stream.